Remember, this week we're talking about how we identify connections in steps in a process. So again, today we're going to be identifying connections in steps in a process. And you've learned lots of words that help show sequence and show the order things happen. Remember, key details in informational texts are connected in specific ways. This week, again, we're focusing on steps in a process, and the steps in a process are organized through sequence. So, like we said, recipes, directions. Some of those words we're looking for are first, next, after that, last, then, in the beginning. We might look for times of day. We might look for actual days or dates. So remember, first we want to read the informational text. Then we want to identify how the key details relate to each other. Again, there is cause and effect. There's compare and contrast. This week we're focusing on sequence. We record our key details in a graphic organizer showing how they're related. I'm actually going to be doing that for you today. Then we're going to use sequence to explain the text and the connections. So tomorrow you're going to be doing some writing with this. Today you're just going to be answering a few questions about the text. So here's my text. It's called, "Which way does the wind blow?" Do you know which direction the wind blows where you live? You can make a wind streamer to find out. Now, if I'm not sure what a wind streamer is, I can actually look at the photograph and see what a wind streamer is. This text gives us a little more information by giving us a what you will need box. So I need crepe paper. Crepe paper is like streamer paper. Plastic ring. So there's my plastic ring. Tape and a compass. What you do. 1. First, tear off several 4-foot long pieces from a roll of crepe paper. Do you see any sequence words there? Absolutely, we have the word first. So, we now know what we have to do first. Next, pull one end of a piece of paper through the plastic ring until the two ends meet. Tell someone in the room what you need to do next. And you should have said you need to pull an end of the piece of paper through a plastic ring until the two ends meet together. Then tie the crepe paper in a knot at the ring. Repeat steps 2 and 3 for the other pieces of paper. Now you have a wind streamer. I see the word then here, telling me what I'm supposed to do now. Last, tape the wind streamer to a tree branch or a pole. Make sure the air can reach the crepe paper from any direction. Do you see a word that identifies sequence here? And you should have said you saw the word last. So we saw the words first, next, then, and last. Those words connected the steps in the process by telling us the order things need to go in. Let's read the last little bit here. Use the compass to see in which direction the crepe paper blows. Does the direction change? Does it always blow in the same direction? Write what you see. So, these words, first, next, then, and last, helped me understand the order of how to make a wind streamer and how to see which way the wind is blowing. Now it's your turn to answer some questions about this text, and tomorrow you'll do some writing with it.